Hello and welcome to my channel On The Hook Crochet with Jeannie. Today is July the 4th and let's see what's on the hook. Today is July 4th. It's the day to fly your flag and to be grateful that you live in a free country. It is the day that our forefathers of our country signed the Declaration of Independence and declared their independence from England, and so, or Britain, maybe it was Britain. Today we celebrate that birthday of our nation. Be sure to fly your flags and be grateful to live in a free country where you can do pretty much anything you want to do. You can go and do, you can say what you want, as long as it doesn't harm anyone. So just be grateful that you live in a free country and enjoy your freedom today and every day. So happy July 4th. I hope you're celebrating with a cookout or with family or taking a day off, putting your feet up, just enjoying the day and remembering that we have a free country that we live in, and we're so grateful for that. Now, I'm going to put my flags over here where I can see them. There they are. Stuck them in a yarn ball. How about that for a YouTube channel? For a crochet channel. I love my flags. I have them out most of the time, and July 4th I look at them and I am grateful for where I live. So I just wanted to say that little bit because it is July the 4th, and I hope you are relaxing and enjoying your day. And if you have time to watch my video, that's great. Now, I will say that I have been on the air since about mid-March, and I've done lots and lots of videos. You all know that if you've been watching my channel. I was growing my channel, and I had a 1,000 subscriber giveaway a couple months ago, actually. It went pretty quickly, and so I was excited about that. And now I have passed 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for that. I'm grateful to you and for sticking with me, for liking my videos, for subscribing, and telling other people about them. It's been really great. And I am grateful for all my subscribers and watchers as well. Some of my viewers that aren't subscribers, but if you find this it might be helpful to you, then subscribe, and I would love for you to do that. Now, today I am wearing the America tank, and I think out of all the videos I've done, this has the most views, and I don't know why, because it's a, it's an American tank, or it's just the way it's made or whatever, but I do give you the directions on how to do it in that video, and you can find it in my playlist of sweaters and tops videos. It's real easy to find. It's the America tank, how to make the America tank, I think is what it says. But I will model it for you again. I said I was going to wear it on patriotic holidays, so July 4th is no exception, and I'm wearing this now. It has a scoop neck, cap sleeves. It's not very long. It's got about 2 inches of ease, maybe 3. So it's very comfortable, and it's made out of Cotton Fair. America is the name of the color, and I don't think they have any more. I went out the other day to try to find some to give away today, and they didn't have any. So they may have it back in stock by now, but I didn't get any. But I wanted to show you that. I'm wearing this. It's very cool and comfortable, and I'm wearing it with a beige tank top underneath so that there's... it just looks plain underneath. It's not, bright white or anything. So that's kind of how I wanted to wear it today. So it's July 4th, and I'm celebrating by wearing my America tank. Now, back to the subscribers. I am doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway today. And actually, I'll be giving away to 3 people. That seemed to be wonderful last week because everybody had a much better chance of winning. 3 out of however many it was instead of just 1. So I like that idea. I think if I was in your shoes, I would like to have 3 shots at it rather than just 1. So I'm going to show 3 different prizes, and you know how I do this. I have to say giveaway number 1 goes to the first person I pick, the second person I pick, the third. I can't move them around and say, oh, I'll send you this yarn or that bag or whatever it is. I can't do that. I have to assign giveaway number 1 to a certain prize. So if you want to swap amongst yourselves, that's great, but I can't give out an email address or a mailing address or a phone number. Not that I would have it, but I can't give those away. So I want to make sure you understand that. And if you win something you're not real excited about, try it anyway. I'm the same way. I buy stuff and I make it and I think, I can't believe I never made that before, especially the number 2 fingering yarn, which we'll get to in just a second. All right, giveaway winner number 1. I've selected 2 homespun balls of yarn, and I love Homespun. I have probably 15 skeins of this in my craft room. And I just bought this from Lion Brand, and I bought one of each, and I should have bought 2 or 3, but I only bought one. And that's really enough for a beautiful scarf or a small chalette or something like that. And frankly, I just don't have time to make it up. So I'm going to give this to giveaway winner number 1. This is called Gemstone Stripes. It is gorgeous. It's gray, and it's got a little bit of kind of a pinky red there, purples, and some gray. So it is just beautiful. It's a number 5 bulky. If you've never worked with it, it's an interesting yarn. You won't want to make something complicated. It would just need to be something very simple. I've always made lots of scarves out of this. The straight scarves where you just double crochet 8 across or something like that, back and forth, and then put some fringe on it. Give it away as a Christmas gift or something, or wear it with your winter coat. This is really pretty though. I've seen this made up in the stripes, and the stripes, it's not real super stripy. The stripes are pretty wide, so you'll find that if you make a scarf out of it, it probably won't have a stripe every 3rd row. It'll probably be, more block colors than that. That's just my experience. I would imagine that's the way this will turn out. But giveaway winner number 1 will receive this, and also another Homespun skein, and this is in the color Baroque, B-A-R-O-Q-U-E, and it's gorgeous purple. I think of all the people out there that love purple, well, this is purple. So I'm giving away these 2 skeins to winner number 1. So I've already assigned that to winner number 1. Winner number 2. Now this is a total different kind of yarn, and I'm trying to mix it up here. So this yarn is lace yarn, and it's gorgeous, it's expensive, it's not cheap lace yarn. First of all, let me show you what I have here. These are yarns that I will never make, and so I'm just going to give them away. This is Cascade Yarns. It's a beautiful kind of a blue and green mixed in. It's already been hanged, and it's Cascade Yarns in alpaca lace, and that's the name of the type of yarn that it is. It's 100% baby alpaca. It is gorgeous, and it's very, very soft. It's a number 1, which is a lace weight, and I have 2 balls of this. And here's my suggestion: if you're not a lace weight kind of gal, if you, I think you can make socks out of this or something like that. But if you don't want to crochet with it 1 strand at a time, put 2 strands together, and you end up with maybe a 2 or a 3. So that will go farther if you're making a chalette or a scarf or something out of this. But it is quite beautiful. I love the colors, and it's a very fine yarn, very nicely done. And like I said, I bought it. It's just not going to work for me, so I'm going to give it away. Again, that is a Cascade yarn, and it's 100% baby alpaca. There are, let me see how many yards are on here. There are 437 yards on each skein. So if you put it together, you'll have 437 yards of fingering weight maybe to put together for a scarf. So I think that's that's probably what I would do if I had the time. I just don't have the time for that. Now, the second winner will also receive 3 hanks of lace yarn again. This is called Current. It's alpaca silk lace, and it's 50% baby alpaca and 50% mulberry silk. So this is silk and alpaca. That is a very high quality yarn, and there are 604 yards on a hank, and I have 3 hanks to give away. 1, 2, 3. And actually it might just be, I'm not really sure. When I bought it, I think I bought 2 hanks of it. So they're probably 1,200 yards or so. That's how much has been caked up. And I think I caked one smaller than another. I don't know what I did, but you can just kind of see what you have when you get it. It's very beautiful though. It's kind of a plum color, purple, and that is true to color on the camera. It looks like the right color. It's kind of a pinky purple. So you will receive that, and that is from Expression Fiber Art. She does a beautiful job dyeing her yarns, and I was so excited to get it, and then I realized I probably wouldn't have time to do this project along with all the others. So I'm just going to give away these 5 balls of lace weight yarn to giveaway number 2. To giveaway number 3, giveaway winner number 3, will receive a red heart, It's a Wrap, in rainbow, which is the type of yarn it is. And it's actually called sea glass, I believe. Yes, it's called sea glass. And this is the yarn that came in the crochet surprise box. I made the other one in the pattern that came with the merino wrap, and you've seen that several times on my videos. I made that, and I just really didn't want to make another one. I've got one in the works now, so that's all the It's a Wraps I want to make. And this is not a number 1, it's a number 2. They said that was mismarked. So it's a number 2. You can make a beautiful, beautiful shawlette or shawl out of this. It's just gorgeous to look at, and I really almost hate to give it up. But I know in my whole heart that I'm not going to be making that. I'm just not going to do it. So I'm giving this away. And in addition to that, for giveaway number 3, will be a project bag. And this project bag is by Sew Bags by Jenny. She actually made my sheep project bag. If you saw the video, I think the name of it is I Finally Got a Project Bag or something. I don't know. It says project bag on it. I'll try to remember to put the link down below. And she made a special project bag for me and then a smaller one to match it. And she sent this in for a giveaway. So she's actually sponsoring this piece of the giveaway. This is a bag that was on her website, and she just sent it to me and said, you want to do a giveaway with this, feel free. So that's what I'm doing. And inside that will be the It's a Wrap Red Heart. Is that upside down? Yeah. It's a Wrap Red Heart yarn will go to the winner number 3. So there you have it. Winner number 1 will receive the homespun. Winner number 2 will receive the silk lace or the lace alpaca. And winner number 3 will receive the project bag and the It's a Wrap yarn. So I think those are really nice giveaways. I would like to get any of those, except I don't want them back. I'm trying to clean out my office. So I will send those out. Since it's July 4th, I'll probably, this is Thursday, next Thursday, I will pick a winner for the 2,000 subscriber giveaways. And I'm just excited to be able to do this. I'm just thrilled. I just sent out 3 today, or actually if it was Monday, I sent out 3 giveaway winner prizes in the mail on Monday. And that was fun for me. I really enjoyed it. I saw them go out and they were all packaged up and ready to go. So I'll be doing the same thing with this. So enjoy your July the 4th holiday. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please put a comment down below, and you want to tell me what you did on July the 4th. That might be fun. So just tell me what you did, or if you didn't do anything, or whatever, and I will see you next time when we find out what's on the hook.